All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Today I have a 2019 BMW X3, and I'm going to show you where all of the slushy holders are located in the vehicle. Okay, as you can see, I'm behind the steering wheel right here. I'm going to look to the left-hand side, and you see this right here? You can put a slushy right there. You can put your straws in here, keep your straws in here. And I'm also going to show you where the yidden compartments are. If you look right here, here's our yidden compartment. Open up there, there's the yidden compartment. You can hide stuff in there and then close it. All right, great. Now let's go around and see where all the slushy holders are. As you see right here, you can put 2 more slushies right in there. In the yidden compartment, where's it at? I can't find it. It's a yidden compartment. Open it back up. All right, cool. Now find another yidden compartment right here, the middle console. Open it up. You can yide some stuff in there, okay? Yide a lot of other stuff, okay? And then the glove compartment box. That is also a yidden compartment, okay? Come right here, open it up. You can yide some stuff in there. Slushy holder down there. All right, cool. Another slushy holder back on the right here. You can not hide, but you can put some slushies down in there on either side. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.